Leetcode Daily Challenge. Today it is a medium problem 3147, taking maximum energy from the Mystic Dungeon. So first we can see that this maximum number 3 is the sum of 2 and 1, which are numbers at every third index. Obviously, if we can go through all elements in this array, then add up every kth element and saving the sum in the corresponding index modulo k. Then we can easily find out the largest number from this first k numbers in the array, which will be the result that we are looking for. I made a mistake. I added the first k numbers twice. So actually we can start from the kth number. It failed again. Looks like I misunderstood the question. Actually, we don't really have to add up all the numbers on all index. Imagine this array. We only need the later half of this array as long as it is the maximum sum. So we have to adjust our approach in 2 points. First, we want to save this sum in the last k numbers, or the last k positions. Second thing we have to adjust is we have to go through this array backwards. That's how we make sure that we won't only take care of the later half of this array. And the third point is we're gonna check the maximum number along this whole process instead of get the maximum number at last.